We remember in the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes on a shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as phosphorus. That is the substance we are organizing. The 15th particle of the stone appears as a light bearer, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of initiation. The Throne of Aries opens the sequence and directs the gaze toward the spontaneous ignition of white phosphorus. From this seat, phosphorus reveals itself as the element that burns without the need for an external spark, as the atom that ignites upon contact with air. Every molecule of white phosphorus exposed to oxygen begins to burn instantly. Each reaction self-triggers without waiting for ignition. Every first combustion is born from the phosphorus itself, without waiting to be lit. Phosphorus inhabits the capacity to initiate fire from its own nature, the impulse that requires no external activation, the force that generates light from itself without waiting for a stimulus. When observed from the Throne of Aries, the light bearer finds self-ignited initiative, autonomous combustion force, and the capacity to initiate transformation from its own being. Self-ignition becomes an independent inaugural act. The luminous element organizes as a self-contained fire impulse. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of autonomous ignition. A candle is lit in front of you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner light bearer and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, the self-ignited impulse clarifies and the first face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Phosphorus becomes activated. The wheel begins its conscious turning. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally. I am igniting fire from my own being. Allow the mind to remain autonomous and luminous. Emotion, candle cleansing. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with dependence on external ignition, waiting for others to light, denial of your own fire, fear of self-ignition. Emotion is brought into order through autonomy. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass in your hands and say, I am phosphorus. Repeat 3 times with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating self-ignition into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.